In this video, I'll show you how you can feel into the body and perceive how you are filled with light raying deep down through you as well as high above you, and how you can then move the arms in unusual positions without straining. Stand upright and feel yourself light and carried. Feel the arms and hands hanging down loosely next to the body. And then lightly contract the body with what I call the U tension, so that the arms follow this tension. Try pulling the arms closer just by tensing the body. If it doesn't function immediately, the arms can help a little. But repeatedly try to see whether the body can do it alone. Feel how this contraction brings about an inner uprightness that is rooted below on the one hand and on the other raised far above the head. I call this exercise E in U. Do you notice that this inner straightening and stretching has a brilliant, raying quality, and that the contraction doesn't make the body narrow, rather making the body wide and activating the lungs? The E in U doesn't come about when you press the arms against the body. That is like standing to attention, which only makes the body outwardly straight but inwardly compressed. If you bring the arms in just through the tension of the body, a relaxed uprightness comes about which reaches far above and below you, the body feeling pleasant, wide, and full of light. When pulling the arms in this manner functions well, you can also do it above the head. Stretch the arms up in a relaxed R angle, and now tense up the legs and lower body like before. The tension in the lower body is mysteriously transposed to the arms, which are pulled together in the same manner as before. If you maintain the U tension in the lower body, then you can keep the arms above for a relatively long time without becoming strained. The arms above are kept in position by your activity within the lower body. Compare this movement to that of consciously bringing the arms together from without. Now I consciously pull the arms together and feel the tension. Somewhere along the line, the arms get tired. Now I bring them together through the concentration below, and they go together by themselves. Should the arms get tired above, I increase the tension below. Then the arms are supported again. You can also bring the arms together above without building up a tension below, but still leading this from the body. Then it is as if you would be thinking in the body. So not thinking in the arms, I want to pull the arms together. Then you do it with the upper system, rather feeling this wish, this thought in the lower body without developing tension, and bringing the arms together through this. If you create the contraction of the arms with an U tension in the body, then you are naturally well rooted below and properly in your body. If you do it with your thought alone, then you have to pay attention that you reach down properly. On the other hand, this is a lot more exciting and the experience a lot more subtle and delicate.